We are on the edge of a mobility revolution.
There's always something changing, something new, something exciting that's happening.
It's important during a time of change that there is a consistent voice, and that's where the SMMT can come in.
The automotive industry is facing immense challenges. It's going to have a fundamental change to the way it operates in the future.
Every single market is open to British companies.
So we'll continue to work closely with the SMMT and the rest of the industry throughout the negotiating period.
There's a huge wealth of talent in our sector, and it's a truly exciting industry to be part of.
We all work together as a great industry, a global showcase, and one that UK PLC should be proud of.
The internal combustion engine will continue to play an important part.
He's selling cars, designing cars, engineering cars, maintaining cars, and it's all happening here in Britain.
The automotive industry has always been innovating well before a lot of its competitor industries.
For the car industry to be able to demonstrate that it can get on top of all of these challenges and answer what people want from their car really does demonstrate the strength of this industry.
Electrification is on everyone's lips. We're at the forefront of that, and that is really exciting.
We need to get to our goals, but we need to be neutral about the technologies that take us there. Diesels can still play a valuable role in reducing CO2 emissions.
The technology is amazing, the new powertrains and electric vehicles, they're amazing too. So it's really exciting, really good stuff that the consumer will really enjoy buying.
In the UK, we are very often one of the most innovative countries in the world in developing these technologies.
We're at the beginning of something that really has the opportunity to change the future of how we all move.
The opportunities are incredible, and potentially the rewards equally so.
If there ever was an interesting time to be in the motor industry, it's now, isn't it?